Alright, let's go back to challenge. Farmhouse. And now I want to see... I thought we just got one for the Revenant. Guess not. I still haven't found the tarot cards. Those are incredibly difficult to find. Maybe it'll pop up after the next one. Let's head back in there.
Alright, we're here. Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation. There have been new reports of a cursed object nearby. This must be the reason that the ghost was summoned here. Take a look. You may be able to use it to your advantage.
Okay, this one's doable. Well, we shall see if it's doable. If I choose to do it. At least it's set to like kind of... daylight, sunrise. I don't know, I feel like I saw more with the fog than I do with the sunrise on this map. Turn on the breaker. Breaker's on. Ambient should... I didn't bring the temp sensor. What am I, new? Alright, let's put the EMF back, grab the temp. Somebody should really grease that. I lost 6 sanity turning on the power. Alright, let's go back in there and see where it is. Ambience about 16 degrees. Turn these on. $16 to 18. Should have been able to cool off the ghost room a bit. I cannot see anything with this flashlight. $18 degrees, 17. Who be out here wrestling? 17 still. What the fuck? Alright, new plan. Let's bulldoze the house. $21. Okay, that did sound like a rat. About 21. Alright, so it doesn't seem to be downstairs. I'm gonna go check on my sanity before I head upstairs. Okay, still in the 90s. Don't quite need the pills yet. I think they restore 30. So I'm gonna wait until I get down to lower. Okay, not on the landing. Let's check this fun room over here. And it's in here. Because why not? Ghost orbs. Okay, I've played in this room. I can deal with it. Okay, that's 2. Wait, give me the option to put down, please. Thank you. That's 2 out of the 3 needed. Hasn't quite hit freezing temps yet in here. I don't know if it will. That's... yeah. I could have recorded that. That's mist form for the ghost. We have orbs. And that's about it. It didn't get down to freezing quite yet. I feel like it should have been closer for how long the ghost was. That's not EMF 5. I can take pills. That should bring me back up to 100, keep me safe. Yeah. Bring you. And I don't need you quite yet. So let's do you. No, let's do Spirit Box. We'll go up there and we'll talk to it. I didn't turn the lights on up there, so... and I'm at 100 sanity. As long as it doesn't change rooms, we should be good. Put you right there. Where are you? Are you here? Are you close?
Away.
Come on, throw it now. Did it get... Did it get down to freezing? Did it right? Don't you be talking to me. Writing spirit box. Writing spirit box. Writing spirit box. What's the mimic? Can this be a mimic? No. So it is a mare, which means do not turn on the lights up there. It will leave or break. EMF and firelight. The camera's already up there. I think I just need one more. Yeah, one more with this, which can be the firelight. So take you and take you. Mare hunting threshold at 40%. Okay, I can do this. As long as I keep the light on out here, but not in that room, it should stay in there. Please stop. There's that. Come on, put it down. Can you light it? Thank you. Can you blow out the candle? It's throwing stuff in a distant corner. Good thing I'm not going to those distant corners. Now it could activate one of these dolls. Just like that. And now we leave because I don't know what my sanity is after that hunt. I mean the ghost event. Capture photo. So I still have sanity pills. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. Are you good up there? I'm gonna bring you. I don't quite want to lower my sanity because I wanted to interact with stuff. So I'm just gonna bring the smudge stick in case it wants to play around. But it shouldn't be able to. Like, unless it does another event, I should be fine. I'm gonna stand out here, out of the room. Wait for that to go off. Please? He was so active like 2 seconds ago. I don't know what you're doing in there, but can you not? I don't know what to throw down. I gotta risk it. It's gonna touch something. And as soon as this goes off, I'm gonna throw it down. I didn't see anything. No, thank you. Got it. Yeah, you can stay. Good luck, have fun. What did that event get me down to? God. Ugh.
Welcome back. There's some jobs ready for you.
Okay. One more. I just have to do one more.